Hello and welcome in this web video in which I am going to demonstrate that you can quite easily create your own searches and create your own model views based on functionality available in Sparx Enterprise Architect. I do so by creating an empty repository and generate some content for that. So let's start over there and do that, and I call this repository a demo. So I have an empty repository now, and I am going to create some examples based on Archimate. I go to create from pattern and I'm going to generate some basic viewpoint models in Sparx Enterprise Architect and do that again. Also an application usage viewpoint like this, and here you see there are a number of elements like components and business process elements, etc. And how nice would it be when you can search for these elements in the repository based on the Archimate stereotypes. So let's do so. I go to the search window. Here is the search window, the model search, and based on that, I am going to import the searches I defined. Let's do so. Import the searches, and here you see that I defined a number of searches. Let's take a look at them. They are under My Searches, and here you can see that I can search for all the elements which are based on an application layer in Enterprise in Archimate. And for example, when I say now let's search for some characters, and now you'll see, so you'll see the search is defined in a way that you can do multiple things. You can show all the elements of the layer, and you can search for the elements based on the search term. And how did we do that? Here is the select statement. The first part of the select statement is taking care of that I can make use find in browser and find in all diagrams. But here you see what the trick is behind it. I do a like on Archimate application, and everything starting with application is now included since I make use of a like. And here is a small trick I used, and based on this I can search for a search term, but when the search term is empty, I'm going to check whether there is an empty string. So here with this, I have the possibility of combining empty searches and searches on search terms. And I did that, and based on this, there's also a business layer viewpoint, works exactly the same. So here you'll see that you can make use of this functionality. And when I, for example, do some typing because I want to search only for processes in this case, you see what happens. On top of that, I can go to the focus window and take over there, and again take care of that I have predefined a view. I can import the views. Please note, first import the searches and after that import the views, and see what happens here. So there is the Archimate views, and here you see that it loads these elements. But again, when I go to the properties and I fill in a search term, it works exactly the same by refreshing the elements. So here you'll see that you can, in the focus window, include your own Archimate search. Same applies for BPMN, SysML, etc. Based on these SQL statements in combination with model views, you are able to create these nice screens for navigating fast around through Archimate.